Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Bareilly location. It is from Uttar Pradesh. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for veterinary sales representative position from Sushima Pharmaceuticals Pvt Ltd. It is located in Bareilly location, Uttar Pradesh. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 12,500 to 13,500 rupees per month. Next, coming to job description. Regularly calls on veterinary doctors and retailers within a defined sales territory to achieve sales target, and you need to promote company products as per company marketing strategy, and driving licenses must for interview. Freshers are most welcome. Freshers are eligible to apply for this veterinary sales representative position, so anywhere in UP. So it is for around UP location candidates. So interested candidates, if you are suitable to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail id, and you can also approach them with the given mail id, that is hr@sushima.in, sushima.in. Next one, there is a job opening for front desk receptionist position from Zingle Bells Public School. It is located in Bareilly. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 12,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. So they need skilled persons for front desk receptionist with good spoken English skills are required, and you should be confident in dealing with the customers or parents, and management of cash is required. So interested candidates, you should be having these skills provided here, and if you have any queries regarding this job opening, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 7895845687. Next one, there is a job opening for science laboratory technician position from Zingle Bells Public School. It is located in Bareilly location. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. So they require skilled lab assistant with good subject knowledge is required for science lab. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, or else if you have any queries regarding this job opening, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 7895845687. Next one, there is a job opening for territory manager 1 position. It is from Syngenta. So it is for Bareilly location, Uttar Pradesh. So in order to apply for this position, you must have done your agri graduation or post graduation, or agri or general MBA is preferred. So these are the education qualification details. Next, coming to job description. Drive demand generation with focus on liquidation in the assigned area, and thorough field promotional activities such as pre-sowing campaigns, farmer training programs, field days and field trips in key villages of the assigned area. Plan, track and manage team of market development officers MDO and their activities, and actively manage relationships with distributors and retailers, and focus on accurate and timely planning, placement, liquidation and collections, and regularly report sales and other commercial activities using salesforce.com, SFDC and other digital platforms, and you need to develop and maintain relationships with key influencers in the territory. So this is about the job description. So interested candidates, so please check with all the details provided here, and if you want to know further detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference, and you can also apply to this job opening through this link. Next one, there is a job opening for territory Incharge position from PI Industries Ltd. It is located in Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. So in order to apply for this position, you must have completed your BSc in agriculture or MSc in agriculture or MBA, and you should be having 2 to 5 years of experience in territory sales and market development in agri input industry, Next, coming to strategic responsibilities, you need to provide inputs for annual business planning for the assigned territory with sales forecasts, new customer projections to the regional manager for necessary approvals. Devise appropriate strategies or initiatives for achievement of target sales from new customers. For example, new customer prospecting, product training, promotion campaigns, and you need to design and implement initiatives to improve channel partner quality. For example, dealer productivity, new dealer development. So these are the some of the responsibilities. So if you have any queries regarding this job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided here. In the below I have mentioned here the website link. So you can also apply to this link. I'll also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for sales officer position from Gopal Snacks Pvt Ltd. It is located in Ballia location, Uttar Pradesh. So they are going to offer salary for this position is 25,000 rupees per month. And next, coming to job description, drive the sales through the sales team and distributors in the assigned territory, and you need to handle inquiries, solving of distributors and markets, and you need to manage team of DSE, SK of company and distributors, and you need to achieve assigned targets of distributors and market survey, market expansion and market development, and you need to give planning and implementation of salesman routes. So this is about the job description. If you have any queries regarding this job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference, and you can also apply to this job through this link. Next one, there is a job opening for medical representative position from Jubilation Bioscience. So it is located in Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. So the company, they required good communication skills and presentable candidate, and you should be having 1 to 2 years of experience in MR profile. So these are the experience and skills details. You please check with this, and if you have any queries regarding this job opening, and if you have any doubts, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. The number is 8171585483. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive position from Radiation Solaire. So it is for Bareilly location, Uttar Pradesh. So next, coming to some of the responsibilities provided, like meeting with customers in store and out at site locations, and you need to provide customers with the information about company equipment and solar systems, and demonstrating company solar products in a working environment, and gathering information to accurately identify the customer's solar needs, and selecting solar energy products and systems to best suit the customer's needs, and you need to prepare a reviewing designs for the customer's solar installation, and create fully customized energy packages for large scale solar installations, and you need to provide customers with quotes, solar order sales orders, shipping information, and tax credit information, and you need to provide after sales service including courtesy calls and site visits, and you need to follow up on sales quotes from other members of the sales team, and completing sales order paperwork, and generating potential leads for new accounts. So these are the some of the responsibilities regarding this job opening. So if you have any queries in this job opening, so if you have any doubts or queries, so you can approach them with the given phone number for other details. The number is 9311371104. Next one, there is a job opening for PGT teacher, English teacher. It is located in Gyan Pitika school. So it is located in Ballia location, Uttar Pradesh, and they are going to offer a salary for this position is 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. So they require a PGT teacher and taking care of teaching classes from 9th to 12th, 9 to 12 students. So you need to take care of the 9 to 12 students, and you need to make and keeping the notes and lesson plan and other classroom documentations, and inspire and encourage the children to speak in English. So you need to encourage the children to speak in English, and you need to run programs to encourage the children to use library and speak in English language. So interested candidates for this job opening, if you have any queries regarding this, so you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. The number is 7400499081. Next one, there is a job opening for sales and marketing executive position from Pragati Associates. It is located in Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. So, in order to apply for this position, you must have done your bachelor's degree in marketing, mathematics, business administration, or related field, and you should be having 1 to 3 years of experience in marketing or sales, and also you should be having experience in management, maybe advantageous, and understanding and you should be having knowledge of sales and marketing, and strong analytical, organizational, and creative thinking skills are required. Excellent communication, interpersonal, and customer service skills are required, and you should be having knowledge of data analysis and report writing, and ability to understand, follow company policies and procedures, and ability to work under pressure. So these are the job responsibilities and also qualification details provided here. So if you are willing to apply for this position, then if you are suitable to apply, then you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is support@pragatit.in. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.